Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we bring you the latest insights and strategies to boost your agribusiness. If you're involved in fish farming or the aquaculture industry, you know that simply harvesting fish isn't enough. Today, we're exploring the top 5 profitable ways to add value to fish, helping you stand out in the market, maximize your returns, and build a sustainable business. Whether you're a small-scale fish farmer or managing a large aquaculture operation, these methods can make a real difference to your bottom line. Let's dive right in with our first method: processing and packaging. Gone are the days when consumers only wanted fresh, whole fish. Modern customers often prefer convenience, hygiene, and ready-to-cook or ready-to-eat options. By processing your fish into fillets, steaks, or even boneless portions, you're saving your customers time and effort. Vacuum sealing or using attractive, food-safe packaging doesn't just enhance shelf life, it also increases the perceived value of your product. Adding labels with nutritional information, origin details, and cooking instructions can further set your packaged fish apart. Processed and well-packaged fish often fetches significantly higher prices compared to unprocessed bulk sales. You can even explore value-added products like marinated fillets, smoked fish, or fish fingers. By investing in basic processing equipment and following food safety guidelines, you can reach supermarkets, hotels, restaurants, and busy urban consumers who are willing to pay more for convenience and quality. Our second value-adding method is fish drying and smoking. In many parts of the world, dried and smoked fish are staple foods with strong market demand. If you're in a region with limited refrigeration, or if you want to reach distant markets, drying or smoking your fish can be a game changer. Traditional drying under the sun or modern dehydrators both work to preserve fish, locking in nutrients and flavor while drastically extending shelf life. Smoked fish, meanwhile, offers a unique taste that many customers crave. Both products are lightweight, easy to transport, and can be stored for months, making them ideal for export or retail sales. You can experiment with different wood chips, spices, and marinating techniques to create signature flavors. Properly packaged, dried and smoked fish are in high demand in specialty stores, ethnic markets, and even international export markets. By mastering these preservation techniques, you not only reduce waste from unsold fresh fish, but also open up lucrative, long-lasting sales channels. Moving on to our third profitable strategy: fish-based specialty foods. As global tastes become more adventurous and health-conscious, there's a growing appetite for innovative fish-based products. Think beyond traditional dishes. Consider producing fish sausages, fish burgers, fish balls, fish cakes, or even fish-based spreads and pâtés. These specialty foods cater to consumers looking for healthy protein options, convenience, and new flavors. The rise of ready-to-eat meals means there's a strong market for frozen or refrigerated fish snacks and entrees. Developing recipes that use spices, herbs, and local ingredients can help you stand out and even build a brand. With the right marketing and packaging, these products can be sold to supermarkets, convenience stores, school canteens, and restaurants. Don't forget the growing trend of health-conscious eating. Many customers are looking for high-protein, omega-3 rich, low-fat options, and fish-based specialty foods fit the bill perfectly. Our fourth method is fish oil and fish meal production. When processing fish, there are often trimmings, bones, and other parts left over. Instead of discarding these byproducts, you can turn them into valuable products. Fish oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, is in high demand for human supplements, animal feed, and even cosmetics. Fish meal, made by grinding and drying fish waste, is an essential ingredient in livestock and aquaculture feed. By setting up a small extraction or rendering operation, you can convert what would be waste into a steady revenue stream. Fish oil and fish meal are traded globally and can be sold to feed manufacturers, pet food companies, and supplement producers. This not only increases your profits, but also promotes a zero-waste, sustainable approach to fish farming. If you partner with other fish producers, you can even pool byproducts for larger-scale processing, further reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about live fish and ornamental fish markets. While most fish farming focuses on food production, there's a thriving market for live fish, both for stocking ponds and for the aquarium trade. Selling live, healthy fish for restocking natural or artificial water bodies is a profitable niche. This is especially true for high-demand species like tilapia, catfish, carp, or even local specialty fish. Additionally, the ornamental fish industry is booming, with hobbyists and collectors seeking unique, colorful, and exotic species for home aquariums and water gardens. By breeding ornamental fish or rare varieties, you can tap into local and international markets where prices are often much higher than those for food fish. Success here depends on maintaining excellent water quality, proper transportation methods, and compliance with regulations, but the rewards can be substantial. Social media and online marketplaces have made it easier than ever to reach enthusiasts and suppliers worldwide. To summarize, adding value to fish isn't just about increasing profits. It's about meeting changing consumer demands, reducing waste, and creating a more resilient business. By processing and packaging your fish, you provide convenience and quality. By drying and smoking, you tap into long-lasting, export-friendly markets. Specialty foods allow you to innovate and attract new customers. Fish oil and meal production ensures nothing goes to waste, and the live and ornamental fish markets open doors to entirely new revenue streams. Before you get started, remember to research your target market, follow local food safety and export regulations, and invest in quality control. Building strong relationships with buyers, retailers, and distributors will help you grow your brand and reputation. Thank you for joining us at SMART-AGRI Hub. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart agribusiness strategies. Let us know in the comments which value-adding method you're most interested in, or share your own experiences with adding value to fish. Together, we can build a brighter, more profitable future for fish farmers everywhere.